Hi guys, I have bought online these tires, the Goodride SL369 Goodride from Tyrola. You can see from Tyrola. So they sent me three tire. It is now February 2024. They sent me three tire, like the dot. The dot is 2023. Three tires. This one another 2023. Two tires 2023. Three tires 2023. And the fourth tire they sent me, it is, where's the dot? It is 2022 here. 2022. So three tires are 2023 and one tire is 2022, but it's okay. It's about $103 because it was on sale, and I bought from the Tyrola website. Tyrola here in Sydney, Tyrola website online, and they deliver me within 1 day. Yeah, they delivered to my home within 1 day. Now see, we're checking the thread size of this. So it is 5.6 mm. One other space, one other, yeah, okay, 5.6 mm, yeah. So now I didn't install it. I'll install it soon. Let's see how many kilometers does it go. It's Chinese tire, but looks like okay, good. The thread is very good. Did you check Mala? Yeah, she also say these are looking good, but when we use it, then we can say how these are. Goodride 36L, and the size which I bought, it is 205/60/16 92H. I don't know by M and plus S. If you can know, you can comment. You can write down in comment section. Thank you. Once again, I would like to check the thread size. Yeah, it is. This one is showing 5.9. 5.9. 5.9. Wow. Sorry, I dropped the device. 5.8. 6 millimeter. 5.6 millimeter. So it's like mostly 5.6. It is 5.6 millimeter. It is 5.69 millimeter. Five point 5.8. 5.56. 6 millimeter. 5.9 millimeter, 5.6, 5.8, 5.6. Goodride. This is a Goodride radial. Here we can see here Goodride radial SL369 all terrain. Okay, maximum load 630. 44 psi. The maximum is 44 psi, so I will inflate it maximum 40 or 38 psi. No, maybe the pressure is some other side. Here is the pressure. Okay. These are made in China. Yeah, so the maximum pressure is 44 psi. So you'll take care of it. I'll put 40 or 38 maybe. Change the tire now. It's 205/60/16 and the spare, so this tire is also possible in the spare one here. In the spare one 205/60/16 possible. This tire is also, you will also change this one is small too, so you will also buy 205/60/16 the spare tire. So is the meter reading now. These are Goodride tire, all terrain, radial SL369 all terrain tires, 205/60/16 all terrain tire of the Goodride. These are Chinese tire, or also called budget tire. So I have put on my car. Let's see how it goes. So today is the first day of these tires. See, all of them. I bought them online from Tyrola in Australia, but Tire Sales also sell them. Yeah, Tire Sales also sell them, but I bought from Tyrola and it was 1 day delivery, so I got them in 1 day. So let's see, we'll measure its spread. It's 6.3 millimeter the thread, and today is the first day for this tire. Maybe from the tire shop to here, maybe I have used about 3 kilometer or 4 kilometer. maybe 3 kilometer, but so it's today the first day of this tire. So it's 6.3 millimeter, and according to my device. The Bridgestone, they have different device. They told me it's 8 millimeter the thread, but this is my personal one device for the tire gauge, so it show 6.3. Let's see the other some other area, how does it show. Yeah, so 6.6 or 6.3. The other one is 6.6. The third one, checking for the third one, 6.4. 6.4. So I will take it like 6.6 or 6.4. Mean 6 millimeter is confirmed. Let's see the third one. Yeah, 6.4. So most probably 6.4 is millimeter is the thread of this tire. The tire is looking very good for this car. I put this in on the Ford EcoSport. They also have many sizes. The tire is good. Yeah, so I bought them online. So 3 of the tire, it's now February 2024, and 3 of the tires they send me, you see this dot 2023, 3 of the tire, and 1 of the tire they send me November 2022, which is also acceptable. 2023, this the second one, 2023. I was thinking if they send me 3 years or 4 years old tire, then I will return them, but this one is just 2022. And the fourth tire is once again 2023. See, 2023. Yeah, so I was thinking if they send me old tire like 3 years or 4 years old, so I will return them and apply for refund. But it's okay, they send me 3 tires 2023 and 1 tire November 2022. And you see the threads are good, and let's see how it goes. So I will share you if I run it like 10,000 or 5,000 kilometers. So once again I will make a video.